Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So today's video we're going to be testing out an eyeshadow palette, and it's the new Friendcation with Desi and Katy, their collaboration with Dose of Colors. So I picked up their palette and one of their highlighters. This one is in Fuego. The swatches are beautiful, love it. Highlighter is beautiful. Now I can see why everyone was raving about it when their collection went away and everyone was like, bring it back, bring it back. Now it makes sense. I'm like, okay, I see. So I did purchase it at Ulta. It is $55 for the palette, but for how they swatch, how creamy and how buttery and the pigmentation, it's nice. The highlighter is $28. So yeah. And it might be a little bit pricey también because this is a collaboration, so Desi and Katy need to get their coin también, okay? So anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna zoom in, we're gonna do our eyes, and yeah, let's just have some girl time. Okay, so for our eyeshadow base, I will be using the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Concealer. So I'm going to use this shade right here, which is Basic. Making a makeup shack brush, and I'm just going to set my eye with Basic. And the palette is so pretty, and I love how you have the option to create something soft, something glam, and something just whoosh. So we're gonna go with this shade right here, which is Chorizo. So we're gonna go with Chiro, but I always want to say Chorizo. I don't know why. Ooh, that is good. Look at that. That is good. I just had to add it like, and we're just going to. Oh, that is pretty, you guys. Going really softly because that was a lot. Okay, so we're just going to blend this. Damn, that pigment was not playing. Okay, so just go in and just lightly buff that color in. Lightly. That was pigmented, you guys. That was like, no joke, good pigmentation. Like, holy moly. I'm not even just saying that. You guys seen it? So now we're gonna go in with Necessary. I'm just going to lightly blend out any of the harsh edges. Now we're gonna use the shade right here, Girl Bye. And just add that también in the crease. Oh, look how pretty these colors are, you guys. I'm like really impressed with how pigmented they are and how buttery they feel. Like, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna blend that in. I want to get this color really popping and really intense. Like, you guys know, sometimes I have to use tape because I'm like, I really want to build this shade up, and I don't even have to go in with tape to build this palette up. Like, holy crap, I'm really like, holy shiz, this is good. That color is so pretty too. So now we're gonna go back in with Necessary, and we're just going to blend any of the harsh edges. So everything blends in together. Okay, we're gonna go back in with It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. So now we're gonna go in with this one, which is Dirty Money. I'm gonna use my, and then we're just going to dab it on there. So I want to try this. This is a Too Faced Tutti Frutti Twinkle Twinkle Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow, and this is in Lemon Zest. Haven't tried it, but I kind of want to give it a little look. I'm just gonna go in and just grab a looby and then add it right on top. So we're gonna do our under eye. This is a Jordana 12-hour made to last, and this is in Jade Jewel. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl 206 brush, and we're gonna pick up Dirty Money. We're going to add that to our bottom. I'm gonna add it with it. Oh, that's so pretty. Mira. Holidays. You know what's so cool? Nina is gonna be here before all the holidays start. Oh, I just thought about that. I was like, oh my gosh, first Christmas, first Halloween, Thanksgiving. Nana is arriving just in time to be like, hello. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna go in with the Fuego highlighter. Dude, look at that. Oh. Oh, that is so pretty. So I'm gonna add some of this to my inner eye. This is a really pretty highlight. Like, it really is. I like how it makes my skin look wet. When you look at it, it looks pretty deep and you're like, oh, maybe it's gonna be a little bit too gold. That is beautiful. Add a little bit up here. Dang, that looks good. Gonna highlight my mustache. Ooh. Pregnancy highlighter. Yeah, that is pretty. And packaging is really, ooh, mira, mira, mira. Ooh. So fuego, mira. Ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So here is the finished look. Alrighty, so this is the end of the makeup look. The highlight on. I'm very impressed. I swatched it at Ulta, okay? Swatched it here, but it's another thing once it goes on your eye and you're playing with it. Pigmentation is so buttery, so creamy. It's just, wow. It's super, super, wow. Pigmented, just, it blew me away. So if you're debating on whether or not to purchase the palette, or if you're like, I'm trying to get it for a friend or anything, because this is the Friendcation palette, get it. It's really, really good. I'm really like, okay. Palette, I would give it a 10 out of a 10. I love it. I love how you can play it. You can play it soft. You can play it glam. You can play it like boom. You can play it like hello. There's so much that you can do with the palette just because of the shades that they picked, which was awesome. I definitely want to do a soft look with the palette just because of how creamy the eyeshadows were. I was just like, oh my God. It's so pretty. So congrats to them on making such an amazing palette. Desi and Katy, you guys killed it with the palette. You guys, whew, nice. As for the highlighter, you guys killed it with this, okay? The first time you guys released Fuego, I was like, you know what? I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. And when I went to Ulta, it wasn't there for me to swatch. So I was like, okay, see, I don't need it. This time it was there and I got to swatch. And the packaging is so cute, so it's like double bonus. So yeah, look at you guys. My skin looks wet. This is how you want your highlighter to apply, just really wet and just, oh, like, just like, oh, she's glowing, like, yes. So yeah. I haven't tried anything else in the collection, and now I'm debating on whether or not to go back just because I was so impressed with the eyeshadow palette, so impressed with the highlight, and I'm just like, damn, maybe it can be my push present. So I think this would complement everyone's skin tone just because of how pretty it is, and just it's like the right highlight shade. Like, I'm gonna go everywhere and I'm gonna try to hit the light everywhere I go just so everyone can see it, like, boom. My baby hair came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Dose of Colors collaboration review with Desi and Katy. I loved it. I give what I tried out a 10 out of a 10. No complaints at all. And I'm like, I'm gonna go back to Ulta probably. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give me a big thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know what you guys got in their collection and what you guys recommend for me to try in their collection, because I do want to go back. I know I'm like joking around, but like, no, like, I'm serious. It's, you guys know, it's an addiction. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Te quiero mucho, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.